Hi and welcome back to Scrapwood Andy's workshop. Today I'm not doing a project. I have just purchased a Workzone scroll saw. I brought with my birthday money, so we're going to do an unboxing, see what it's like. I've never had a scroll saw before, so we'll see how we go with it. Right, we'll get under in the box and we'll have a look. Instructions. Right, a couple of blades, an Allen key. I should imagine these other two things in it is what the blade attaches to, I should imagine. Oh, I know what that's the blower that attaches to it, so keeps the sawdust away. So I know what that is. No idea what that is at the minute. So I'll put that to one side. That looks like a fence of some sort. Put that to one side. Right. This looks like the main body itself. So we'll get that out. Put the box to one side. Well, there it is. Out its box and wrapper. That's what it looks like at the minute. So we shall get the instructions and we'll see where we go from there. But like I say, I've never had a scroll saw before. That tilts up. That's got a tilting bed. On and off. I should imagine that's the speed control. That must be where the dust port comes out and everything. Built-in light. So we'll get our instructions and we'll see how we put it together. Right, we've got a warranty card. Comes with a 3-year warranty on it. Got the manual. All the components and everything. Use safety, safety, after sales support, safety, that's for your start machine. There we go, where are we? Operations on and off, cleaning and maintenance. List of how it's put together. So we shall find out how it goes together. Right, we'll fix the guard on first. So what I've read, to take this piece off the guard first. Put this into here. I don't know if that goes into that hole in there or not. Let's just see if that threads into there. No, so that doesn't go into there. So I should imagine this just holds it in place. imagine that holds that into place. Then we have to put this back on to there. No, not that way. That way. And the dog goes down, it says. So, oops, tighten that up again. Well, that seems to go on there all right. Then we have to attach the blower to the top. Oh, there's that. It's just a screw, threaded screw. What's it? So let's just screw it on. There. That's a nozzle that comes round to blow when it needed to. Right. We'll go on to the next part. Right, we'll see if we can fit the blade. We have to take the tension off the back with the lever, take this plate out, we have to make sure the teeth are pointing downwards, so it says, and there's two little recesses where the pins of the blade go into, which I can see. Yep. Oop. We have to pull this down and do the same round here. Yep. It's just like a coping saw, really, isn't it? Just getting the pins into it, and that don't look straight to me. That's not in properly. That's it. That's it. Put the tension back on at the back. That's it. That sounds alright, sounds like a toast ring. Put the insert back in. That fits snugly. So I think I've done everything right. Teeth are pointing downwards and everything. Just imagine the guard goes back down like that. So if I want the blade any tighter, what I have to do, there's a lever, if you can see, just here. I'd have to turn it clockwise, flip it up, turn it clockwise to tighten it up, then press the lever back down, so it tensions the blade. Like I say, it's just like a coping saw where you just have to tighten the handle to get the tension right on that. So what we'll do, what I've also found out, that this is to do with these when I'm not using pin saw blades. That they go together. If I'm not using pin saw blades, we have to attach them, but I haven't looked that far yet to see how they go, so I'm just doing it this way at the minute just to try it out. So we will plug him in. Let's see if we've got any power on. Well, that seems to be working all right at the minute. That's increasing the speed. Lower seems to be working as well. Got a bit of scrapwood here. through that. It has that's the quickest it will go cutting. And that's the slowest it'll go cutting. So nice to have a light on it to see what I might just tighten the blade up a bit more. We'll switch it off, put plug out. Under the lever, anti-clockwise. We'll try that unless it's too tight. Is that going to be too tight? No, I'll have to get a smaller one to just check it to make sure the blade's at a 90-degree angle to the table itself. But all in all, it seems alright. Yeah, I've got a bit of thicker piece of wood that we'll try on it. I'm getting plugged in down to the guard. Just imagine this looks like a bit like a sewing machine one, where you have to put the guard down to go through. So we'll switch it on again. Increase it. So as you can see, let's cut the shape out. That's not full speed. It isn't. So I'll just have a quick look. See, that seems to be a 90-degree cut at the minute. I can't see no light coming through that. So yes, it's seems to be alright, working alright. So yes, all I've got to do is find a home to put it in my small workshop, but I should imagine I'll go and find somewhere to put it. We will keep these other bits safe whenever we need to change over from the pin blades to the other sort of blades. But all in all, yes, it's alright for the price from Aldi. $69.99. So I'm hoping to do some projects with it in the near future for Christmas. So yes, all in all, I'm pleased with it. I've never had any problems with the Workzone tools which I've brought previously. I've never. So yes, it works pretty well for me. So well, I've just managed to fit it, as you can see, on that shelf there where I used to keep the odd screws and the chargers. So, but now I've got to find somewhere to put rest of these. I also purchased some more of the screws from the Workzone. I've got loads as it is, but I've picked up another one just in case they don't have them in for a while. So, but yeah, they're pretty good screws. I've had none break on me whatsoever, and plus you get a couple of bits in for your screwdriver as well, so which is pretty good. So right, I'll just try and find somewhere to put the rest of these. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I will see you soon.